Prior to taking the patient's blood pressure, be sure to wash your hands. First, remove all jewelry off your hands and wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 30 seconds. Be sure to scrub in between your fingers and all parts of your hand. Before you turn off the water, grab a paper towel and dry your hands, and then use the paper towel to turn off the faucet. After you wash your hands, use an alcohol wipe to wipe down all surfaces of the blood pressure cuff and stethoscope. Before taking the patient's blood pressure, make sure to introduce yourself and also ask the patient for 2 identifiers.
Hi, I'm your PT today. My name's Kesha. Can I have your name and date of birth?
Yeah, Miley Cyrus, 12/25/2001.
Okay, perfect. We're just going to be measuring your blood pressure today.
Before taking blood pressure measurements, make sure the patient has rested for at least 15 to 30 minutes if they have exercised or experienced symptoms of emotional distress. Make sure the patient is sitting down with their feet flat on the floor and have the patient rest their forearm on a supported surface. Next, place the deflated cuff on the arm at approximately 2.5 centimeters above the antecubital space. Make sure the manometer is attached to the cuff and easy to read. After the cuff is on the patient, palpate the radial pulse and pump the cuff until the pulse is not palpable. This will be used to find the baseline inflation level. Afterwards, wait 30 to 60 seconds and reinflate the cuff 15 to 20 millimeters mercury above the pressure previously noted. Then begin to deflate the cuff by releasing the valve at a rate of 2 to 3 millimeters mercury per second. Listen for the first carotid cuff sound and note the needle position, as this is the systolic pressure. Continue to deflate the cuff and listen for an absence of sound and note this needle position, as this is the diastolic pressure. Let the cuff deflate completely and remove the cuff off the patient's arm. Afterwards, clean the blood pressure cuff and stethoscope after use with an alcohol wipe.